Today we will see how to make FAQ in Wix. So first we have to search for um, called multi. It's multi-state box. So we have to choose blank one. Then we will edit and do some basic code to make it FAQ. So resize as you want. Then there is a state settings, so we have to rename them. uh, Name it call, okay, and then duplicate the state. Okay, I will duplicate later. Then text, add any heading or title, so I choose heading 2. Then it's like edit your text, how to make FAQ. Okay, then you can change your font. After that, uh, we have to a action button or icon. So choose an icon from decorative, then arrow. I will choose an arrow, drop down. Okay, resize. Okay, that's it. And then add another state, manage state. Name it as expand, so I am naming to exp as expand. Okay, that's it. We need only two state, so make sure select the uh, exp, then resize your box, and then add your text. So I will add a paragraph text. So I resize as much as I need. Copy and duplicate. Okay, that's it. And then select on collapse. So we have to another icon for collapse. So we will find another icon. So this is off. I don't see any similar. Okay, let's select off. Add to page. So it looks bad, so we have to delete it from expand. Then okay, I think, yeah, we have to resize our header. Then we have to delete this one from expand. Make sure you select expand, then delete, then put it here. Okay, then select collapse. So now we have to do some basic codes. I have done it before, so you will find it in my description. Check my description. It's a very simple, and you can just copy and paste, then just change the name with your uh, id. So if you click this, then you will see this is a Victor image 38. So we have to change the name. 38, then estate. So this is basically our estate name. If you click on estate, then you will see estate box 23. It's estate box 23. So change it to your box number. Then this is the name we set in our uh, manage state. So I did exp, then similar to this one, so we have to say expand, click, then this one is 40. Then state box same 23, and this will be COL. Yeah, that's it. Then click on preview, or you can publish. You can copy and paste this one multiple times, this will work. And you can design. I don't design this one that way, that's why it's looks bad. You can add some fading margin. Thank you.